In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable download option on shared files in Google Drive. We'll start on the Google homepage. In the top right corner, open the Google Apps menu, the small grid of dots, and choose Drive. That takes you into My Drive where all your files and folders live. Find the file, or the folder, you want to protect from downloading. Click once to highlight it, then open the More Actions menu by selecting the three vertical dots. In that menu, move your cursor over Share, and then click Share to open the sharing window. Inside the sharing window, make sure anyone you're sharing with has the right level of access. Switch their role to Viewer so they can see the content but not edit it. This matters because the download restriction is designed for viewers and commenters. Editors generally have broader rights. Next, look to the top right of the sharing window and click the gear icon to open the sharing settings. Here, turn off the option that lets editors change permissions and share. Unchecking this prevents collaborators with edit access from loosening your restrictions later. Still in this area, enable the option to limit access for this item. Depending on your screen, you may see wording that refers to limiting access for the specific folder or file. Turn that on so viewers won't get the usual options to download, print, or copy your content. This is the key setting that discourages casual saving of your work. When you're finished, click Done to save and close the sharing window. From now on, people who open the shared item as viewers will be able to see it, but they won't see a download button, and standard copy or print options will be disabled. A couple of quick notes to set expectations. These controls are effective for most situations, but they can't stop someone from taking a screenshot or recording their screen. If you need to collaborate more deeply, consider sharing a separate copy for editing or granting temporary access and removing it later. And if you changed folder settings, remember that they apply to the items inside that folder unless you override them on individual files. That's it. Your file is shared and the download option is disabled.